Namaskara, Namaskaram, Vanakkam, Namaskar, and hello. Welcome back to Atrium Kitchen. Today, we're going to cover a simple chicken pulao recipe. Let's see how it's done. Let's look at the ingredients. I've taken 1 kg of chicken with skin. You can also do it without skin. 30 shallots, 1 bulb of garlic, 3 to 4 cinnamon, 4 to 5 cloves, 4 to 5 cardamom, about 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds, 6 green chilies. I've taken 1 lemon and 2 medium-sized onions sliced and 1 inch of ginger. Let's dive into the cooking process. We start with grinding the shallots, garlic, ginger, all the spices, fennel seeds, along with 3 chilies into a fine paste. You will also need a handful of pudina and a handful of coriander leaves. Also, I've taken 1 kg of Jeeraga Samba rice, soaked for about half an hour. 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of ghee, add few bay leaves, the chopped onions, and fry until they are brown. To this, add the coriander and the mint leaves and fry for about a minute. And later, add the ground masala and fry until the raw smell is gone. This takes about roughly 2 to 3 minutes. Let's now add the chicken to this mixture and stir well until the masala is coated over the chicken nicely. Now let's add 150 ml of curd, mix well, add some salt to taste and mix well. Let's cook this mixture for about 2 minutes. Now add 4.5 glasses of water. That's for 3 glasses of rice that I've taken. So 1.5 glass water for 1 glass of rice. Immediately after the water, add the soaked rice and stir gently. Finally, add half a lemon juice and the remaining 3 chilies. Now stir this for 30 seconds, then we can close the cooker lid. Let's cook this on high flame for 2 minutes and then reduce the flame to medium. We're going to only wait for 1 whistle. That's it, 1 whistle. Alright, we got the 1 whistle. Release the steam. Let's see how the chicken pulao is. It smells delicious. The simple white chicken pulao is ready to be served. Please do try this recipe and let us know how it turned out to be. Thank you for watching the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like the recipe and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Atrium Kitchen. Thank you again. Have a wonderful day ahead.